This has got the Fix-It guy dealing with a detergent drawer or a fabric softener drawer that is clogged and the water won't leave. So we're going to be pulling this out. We press it on that little tab with the index finger in the back left-hand corner, and we're going to be pulling off the cover piece. This is for the fabric softener, and we're going to be just cleaning this up. There was so much kind of dried up fabric softener, it becomes almost like a gel, that it was clogging the hole, and the water and fabric softener could no longer flow into the machine. This could happen also with your liquid detergent. So all you have to do is use some hot water, and you pull off the top, and then you just take an old toothbrush and clean up everything you can see. And then you want to use something pointy. I'm using a little owl type tool, but you could use a straightened paper clip and just work it into the holes that you see. And that's where really the gel-like fabric softener had hardened up and it was causing it to be clogged. And this will help remove all that, and then you'll have your machine working back to normal. So pretty easy to do. You could use a pipe cleaner, anything that'll reach into that hole and clean out all that stuff. I think hot water is good to use, and this is something that you may have to do maybe every 6 or 7 months as this stuff kind of accumulates and hardens up and then starts to clog it. It's really easy to do. This is common to most makes of the front-loading machines that have this detergent drawer that pulls out. And almost all of them have the similar kind of a release near the back. You just have to reach in with your finger and push down on the plastic piece. In this case, it's on the back left-hand side, and then you can just pull the drawer right out. And using hot water and some abrasion, you can clean it up really well. And these top pieces on most brands, they just pop right off. Easy to put them back on. And just want to, again, brush everything that you can reach. And any holes that you see, you want to work something through there, like a straightened paper clip or anything that will help to knock out the detergent. So that looks good. Now the water drains out, and we know that it's going to work correctly when we put it back in. Just making sure everything's nice and clean. A little more hot water with some nice water pressure helps. Put this cap back on. Really easy, just slips right back in. No fasteners. There we go. And then just pointing out this little clip that you push down to make the detergent drawer release. We'll go ahead and put it back in. It just slides in, push it all the way in to where it locks, and you are done. So I hope this has been helpful to you and gets your machine working good again. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.